And welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Contour Airlines app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the app. Okay. So if it's not working, you have to follow these steps. So just press and hold it here. Just click on this I button. Okay. And then you have to scroll down and click on the storage. After that, here you have to click on the clear data. Just delete it. Okay. Here you have to delete all the data. Okay. Then here you have to open it again. If it's worked, then fine. If it's not, then you have to go to the Google search bar and search for the Contour Airline app. Okay, Contour Airline app. So at here you have to install the latest version of the app, and from here you can use it. So by this way you can just do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.